In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the bedrock upon which people can build stable and prosperous lives, ensuring long-term financial security and peace of mind. Despite its critical importance, financial literacy is largely absent from school curriculums across the United States. This absence leaves a significant gap in students' education, one that can have long-lasting effects on their financial well-being. This glaring omission can be attributed in part to the inertia of the education system, which often resists change and innovation. Rooted in a time when financial matters were considered the domain of the household, the traditional education system has been slow to adapt to the evolving needs of the 21st century. As a result, many students graduate without even basic financial skills. Furthermore, the current curriculum is already jam-packed with subjects deemed essential, leaving little room for the integration of financial literacy. Teachers and administrators often struggle to find the time and resources to add new subjects. While math, science, and language arts are undeniably important, the lack of emphasis on financial education leaves students ill-prepared for the financial realities that await them after graduation. This deficiency can lead to poor financial decisions, debt, and a lack of financial security in their adult lives. Another significant hurdle in the path of widespread financial literacy education is the shortage of qualified educators equipped to teach this vital life skill. Many teachers, while well-versed in their respective subjects, may not possess the financial expertise required to effectively impart financial knowledge to their students. This gap in expertise can be attributed to the fact that financial literacy is a relatively new addition to the educational landscape. Teacher training programs have been slow to incorporate comprehensive financial education into their curriculums, leaving many educators feeling underprepared to tackle this critical subject. Section 4, the gift of early financial education. Setting students up for success. The benefits of introducing financial literacy at an early age are undeniable. By integrating age-appropriate financial concepts into the elementary and middle school curriculums, students can develop a foundational understanding of money management from a young age. Early exposure to financial concepts can help instill responsible financial habits that will serve students well throughout their lives. They can learn the importance of budgeting, saving, and making informed spending choices, setting the stage for a future of financial well-being. Section 5, California takes the lead, a model for financial literacy in education. Recognizing the urgency of this issue, several states have taken proactive steps to incorporate financial literacy into their education systems. California, for instance, has made significant strides in this arena, becoming a national leader in financial education. Starting with the graduating class of 2030, California will require all high school students to complete a financial literacy course in order to graduate. This groundbreaking mandate ensures that all students, regardless of background or future aspirations, will enter adulthood equipped with the financial knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of personal finance. Section 6, Investing in the Future programs championing financial literacy. Beyond state-level initiatives, numerous organizations and programs have emerged to champion the cause of financial literacy. These organizations are dedicated to providing students with engaging and accessible financial education, bridging the gap left by traditional education systems. Organizations like the National Endowment for Financial Education and Junior Achievement offer a range of programs designed to empower students with the knowledge and skills necessary to make sound financial decisions. These programs often utilize interactive activities, real-world simulations, and engaging lesson plans to make learning about finance fun and relevant for students of all ages. Section 7, A Financially Secure Tomorrow. The power of early financial education. Financial literacy is not merely about dollars and cents. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their financial well-being and build a more secure future for themselves and their families. It encompasses understanding how to manage money, make informed financial decisions, and plan for long-term goals such as buying a home, saving for retirement, or funding education. By equipping students with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complex world of personal finance, we can help break the cycle of debt, promote financial stability, and pave the way for a brighter economic future. This education can start as early as elementary school and continue through high school and beyond, ensuring that every individual has the tools they need to succeed. The time to act is now. By investing in financial literacy education, we are investing in the future of our youth and the long-term economic health of our nation. This investment will yield dividends for generations to come, creating a society where financial security is within everyone's reach.